Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it is the 4th day of February, and it's freezing out here as I make this at, 3:42 in the morning. Temperature already down to freezing, but the wind chill factor, none, because there is no wind, and we're going to see a nice warm-up today. I will tell you about the return of rain to the forecast in the overnight hours tonight. We'll look ahead to an okay weekend, pretty good in many respects. We'll talk about a warming trend next week. Now, you and I have been talking for several days about this Arctic air that will be entering the United States this weekend. It is the coldest air of the season by far. The question is, when does it arrive here? There is a delay in the arrival of the Arctic air, maybe 8 or 9 days from now, but I think you're going to find this video very interesting as we track the advance of the Arctic air.
That front in the Midwest is going to bring a lot of snow to the Midwest and the Great Lakes and then head for the northeastern U.S. For us, a dry day today with high temperatures into the 60s. Rain returning to the area tonight, especially late tonight, after midnight, and that'll continue to Friday morning. Here's a look at 2 o'clock in the morning. So wet in the overnight hours tonight, but dry during the daytime hours today. In fact, I think we're into the mid-60s today, and south winds will take over at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Rain chances as high as 90% tonight. Overnight low temperature down to about 48. By tomorrow at noon, most of the rain has gone south to the coast, and that they will continue to get wet. And then it looks like Friday night the rain will try to tease us as the front kind of edges back to the north. Will keep us dry now on Friday night, but I think most of the day Saturday will be dry. We're into the 50s for high temperatures, but by Saturday night the front will kind of bow back up to the north again, so we'll put a chance of scattered showers in the forecast on Saturday night. I think Sunday is dry, and right now I have Sunday's high temperature up to about 59, so that's pretty mild compared to where we've been here in the last few days. Monday's even warmer. We're into the 60s. There's some Arctic air lurking far to the northwest, but it's going to delay its arrival here, so very mild on Tuesday. I think we're in the upper 60s on Tuesday, and then late week there are big question marks after that. So we're talking about a high of 57 tomorrow, maybe some showers left over in the morning. We'll put in a small rain chance Saturday and more scattered showers Saturday night. Mild on Sunday with a high temperature up to about 59. Into the 60s Monday, upper 60s Tuesday. We'll put in a small rain chance. Then late in the week, many question marks. Will the Arctic air reach us? Well, some of the models take it in here on Friday, February 12th, so about 8 days from now. A big change according to what we're seeing now, and maybe even some frozen precipitation for the northern counties of the state, and mainly cold rain down here in South Alabama, the way it looks now, but many question marks. Here's Friday night, February 12th. Look at that Arctic Express all the way from the North Pole all the way down into the deep south and covering the entire area. On this will be Valentine's weekend. This is February 13th, and it looks like maybe even some snow flurries up in northeast Alabama. A windy, cold day on Saturday the 13th, if this all plays out as the models are indicating. The Euro is showing a big temperature crash starting Friday and into that upcoming Valentine's Day weekend. So that's, again, not this weekend. That's the following weekend. And the GFS numbers are even more shocking. It has highs in the 30s and even some teens. We don't look at specific numbers in this case. We're just looking at the big change when this Arctic air arrives. Our weather app will keep you on top of the action. 10-day forecast, hourly forecast, plus radar, future radar, instant push notifications for severe weather alerts, and access to all these videos. Get it on your phone or tablet now. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. It's good to have. One more look, and I've speeded this up, of the Arctic air coming from the North Pole into the north-central U.S. and then overspreading the Midwest. It will morph from time to time across the eastern U.S., and then little pieces of it will try to slide southeastward. It'll take all week long, but eventually by late next week and Valentine's weekend, it moves into the southeastern U.S.
And let me also tell you, the models are a mess when we get past, let's say, Tuesday, as far as agreeing on nothing, as far as this Arctic advance and what could happen here in Alabama. So stay tuned. I will keep you on top of it. You know that. And your weather app will also do that as well. All right. Normal day today, live on the radio, 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1, live on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network, and also another video for you first thing tomorrow morning. And every day we'll know a a little bit more about this Arctic advance. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Have a good day today. Enjoy the 60s. I'll see you later.